The Road to Redemption. Overcoming a Second Offense DUI in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. The McShane Firm, LLC. In life, we all make mistakes, and sometimes those mistakes can have significant consequences. If you find yourself facing a second offense DUI in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, it's essential to remember that seeking to minimize the legal repercussions is not inconsistent with the concept of seeking redemption. In fact, it's a responsible step towards rebuilding your life and making amends. In this blog post, we will explore the path to redemption after a second offense DUI, highlighting how our dedicated team at the McShane Firm can guide you through this challenging journey. Acknowledging the mistake. By recognizing the impact of your choices, you can begin the process of personal growth and transformation. But it's also okay to continue your penance on your own private accord and accounting while minimizing the government's heavy foot on your neck. Learning from past mistakes. Take this chance to reflect on your behavior, understand the underlying causes, and make a commitment to learn from your past mistakes. By embracing the lessons learned, you can pave the way for a brighter future. Seeking legal guidance. Our experienced attorneys at the McShane Firm can provide the legal expertise needed to minimize the consequences and protect your rights. We will work diligently to develop a tailored defense strategy, considering all available options to help you achieve the best possible outcome. Making amends. This may include seeking therapy or counseling, attending support groups, or participating in rehabilitation programs. Taking proactive steps to address the root causes of your behavior demonstrates a genuine commitment to change. These might be personal growth steps that you may or may not want to pursue. Embracing personal growth. Use this experience as an opportunity to reevaluate your priorities, develop healthier habits, and cultivate positive relationships. Finding support. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, and professionals who can provide guidance and encouragement along the way. Our team at the McShane Firm is committed to supporting you throughout the process, providing compassionate guidance and legal expertise. Embracing hope and redemption. Through personal growth, legal guidance, and the support of loved ones, you can overcome the consequences of a second offense DUI and create a brighter future. Remember, seeking redemption is not about erasing the past but rather using it as a catalyst for positive change. Facing a second offense DUI in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, may feel overwhelming, but it's important to remember that seeking redemption is possible. By acknowledging your mistakes, seeking legal guidance, and embracing personal growth, you can navigate the road to redemption. Our dedicated team at the McShane Firm is here to support you every step of the way, offering expert legal advice and compassionate guidance. Together, let's embark on the journey towards a brighter future filled with hope and redemption.